And as we scroll down here, you're going to see multiple 4% profit wins, tons and tons of them. But as we get lower, you're going to see trades like 10%, 7%, 8%, and more. The Bitcoin market has become extremely unpredictable, causing traders to feel very, very fearful. As you look to navigate this market, I'm going to show you exactly how we use these indicators to help manage our risk and time the best possible entries. And along the way, I'm going to give you some technical analysis to show you my exact targets. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I want to let you know as we head over to the trade setups page, we are now 126 wins, 0 losses, and have 11 active trades for you to take. We're actually going to view the performance record now, and as we scroll down here, you're going to see multiple 4% profit wins, tons and tons of them, but as we get lower, you're going to see trades like 10%, 7%, 8%, and more. In fact, recently we just won a 15% trade, 10% trade, and 12% trade all in a row. Now we have multiple new trades for you to take a look at in anticipation of a small move up before the market crash. So if you want to make a quick profit, you're going to want to take a look at this page. One last announcement before we get into the technical analysis, follow me over to the future forecast page. Brand new members only content here, urgent. You get one shot at this drop, and if you miss it, you will regret it. Full study and alert setup to make sure you do not miss anything in the next upcoming move. We're going to set up 4 alerts today based on over 13 years of data, and that will help you pinpoint where this market will most likely drop and then see one of the fastest moves up to date. Do not miss this opportunity. Do not miss this video. Brand new future forecast out. Trade setups and future forecast available with a membership at the links in the description down below. More on that later. Let's head over to the Bitcoin metrics. Scrolling down here and clicking, it'll bring us to the Bitcoin Emotional Index. And as I said in the introduction, traders are feeling fearful. And most often when Bitcoin drops into fearful or even just anxious, you're going to see moves to the upside. So overall, at least in the short term, this is feeling bullish. But if we head down to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, we are going to see big moves are incoming. We are sitting below the breakout zone, and most often when we fall into this zone, as you can see multiple instances on this chart, this is where we're seeing extremely high volatility. So if you thought the Bitcoin market was unpredictable now, look out for some really highly volatile moves. And this could be either a move to the downside or to the upside. We have to be careful as we determine direction. And the way we're going to do that is to pay attention to what whales are doing. Whale smart money metrics shows a lot of long trade sentiment in the market. But if we see even a slight move up, personally, I think we are going to see a rejection of resistance and a subsequent move down as whale traders switch towards short trade sentiment. Now this shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let me show you what whales are actively doing today with the money flow relative to price chart. As we touch our current support around $40,000, in fact, we actually broke that today, sitting at $39,845. Whale money is beginning to move into the market. It looks like we might have even bottomed out. If whale money continues moving into the market, this is going to be bullish. But overall, based on higher time frames that I'll show you in the live charts, things are looking more bearish long term. So even a short-term move up should result in a drop. I need you to keep that in mind as we check out our targets using the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. Major structure resistance now sitting at $40,625 with our current support sitting at $38,000. There's another one slightly lower, sitting just below $32,000 that I know we need to be paying attention to just in case of a major drop. Last but not least is the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, yesterday we received a buy signal, and most often this will result in moves up. We need to be careful because this could actually indicate a long squeeze in which whales hunt down liquidity towards a structure support, purposely break the structure support in order to liquidate traders and bring the price down even more. This is exactly what we're expecting, once again, because higher time frames are significantly bearish. We'll get into that more in just a second, but if you want access to these metrics for Bitcoin or any of the 20 coins on our website, check this out. 20 coins worth of metrics here. If you want to get access to the members only future forecast videos, trade setups, morning brew overview, inner circle live Zoom hangout, and more, you're going to want to join our membership. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Grab a membership now because price increases are coming soon. Everything I just showed you and more if you click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom, finding your price versus one money flow and trades in favor indicators. These indicators, this combination, is what we're using to help predict the crypto market. Now, on the 1-day time frame, we see price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low with an 84% chance of a drop. Most often, especially as we test a resistance, this is going to be extremely bullish. Whales are oversold, meaning they're likely to begin moving money back into the market. And as this green line moves up, it shows whale money is moving into the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So theoretically, this would push the price of Bitcoin above this resistance. And personally, the highest I think we could test is $43,500. Once we see price versus whale money flow high and the price rises, it will bring trades in favor up. And as upward momentum runs out and we push into short trade zone, both trades in favor high, price versus whale money flow high at a resistance should result in the next move back to the downside. This is thinking on the 1-day time frame as if higher time frames were bullish, but if we head to the 1 week, we actually see those signals that we're looking for moves down. On the 1 week, instead, we see price versus well money flow high, we see trades in favor high with a 79% chance of a drop, which most often will result in significant moves to the downside, especially as we test support on the weekly time frame. And it's not just the weekly. If we look at the monthly, price versus well money flow is high, trades in favor is high with an 83% chance of a drop. Whales are likely to begin moving money out of the market on the longer term scale, and upwards momentum has diminished, meaning downward trends are about to start. So this is how we're calling the tops. At this point, the absolute top should happen if we see price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high on the 1 day, because it would then match the other time frames. Now, once we see that, whether we reject resistance at 40,600 or 43,500, we are likely to see moves back to the downside. And honestly, for a downside move, based on how this technical analysis is playing out, personally, I'm going to be watching the 1 week time frame to determine the absolute bottom. As the price drops, we're going to be looking for price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, because this means whales have oversold and are likely to begin buying back into the market, and it would mean that downward momentum had run out on the trades in favor. Both of these low, especially if we get a buy signal, most often result in significant moves to the upside, as you can see using historical data on the weekly time frame. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, strong buy, crazy move up. Buy signal, price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, crazy move up. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal move up. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal move up. This is why right here you can see how consistent this is. This is why we're relying on the 1 week time frame to call the next bottom. We think this is going to be a significant move down, so a higher time frame will be necessary to pay attention to. Now, the next structure support sits right down here at $31,862, and from the current price, this is an 18.94% drop. And with that drop in mind, I do want to talk to you about some possible risk management in case you want to take a trade to try and take advantage of the possible move up to $43,500. Now, I want to start by saying that this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you whether you should or should not take a trade. Ultimately, that is up to you and your comfort levels, but I do want to show you how we manage our risk within the membership. And as a heads up, the combination of these indicators with our risk management strategy has earned us 126 wins, 0 losses in our trades. If we head over to the TC top and bottom finder and go to inputs, I'm going to enable take profit, market order, buy limit 1 and buy limit 2. Click OK. And here's how this is going to work. Rather than put all of your money in a single market order, instead, what we'd like to do is split it into 3 equal parts. Now, the first part will actually be market ordered right at the current price, immediate entry. From there, you're going to set a buy limit 1 and buy limit 2 using the prices on these labels. The second part is going to go into buy limit 1. The third part is going to go into buy limit 2. And of course, do not forget to set your take profit. This is actually adjustable on the TC top and bottom finder as well. Just set your take profit percentage. Right now, it's set at about 7%. Now, if Bitcoin moves up and hits your take profit, congrats on the win. Easy money there. But if the price drops instead, we're going to be looking around the $30,000 to $32,000 mark for a possible drop. So this could be perfect timing. If the price drops below $30,636, this would trigger the buy limit and you would enter the second phase of the trade. Now, rather than the price needing to move all the way up to market order again in order to be in profit, instead, you'd only have to reach about halfway, right around here, sitting probably around $34,000, $35,000. And you have twice the amount invested than you previously did, half of that at an even better price. So, on top of having a lower break even, you actually have more profit potential because you have more money invested. And I'm not saying this is going to happen at this point, we are not expecting a move down this far, but you always want to have a little bit of a ridiculous buy limit just in case. If the price drops below $21,889, this would bring your break even down significantly, very close to buy limit 1, once again bringing you into profit faster and tripling your original market order value. From there, it's literally just hold until you're in profit and you are ready to start the next trade. Easy as that. Once again, this strategy has helped us earn 126 wins, 0 losses in our trades within our membership. If you want to get access to all these indicators that can help you level up your trades right now, help you navigate through the insane volatility in the market, I can help you get $550 off right now. Check this out. Once again, the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Pro Indicator page. I showed you how to sign up for a membership, but members get significant discounts. It is much, much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. The membership is going to get you your first $150 off. Access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in that future forecast video and those trade setups. Do not miss out.